Good evening, bankers. How are you all? Bankers, this is your first class of revision. So today we will discuss about the first module, that is Introduction to Information Technology. Before going that, there is a quotation here. You are seeing that don't be upset after failure because you are born to be perfect. So if you are failing day by day, so don't be upset because you are born to be perfect. You will be perfect one day. I mean, after going failure, you will be perfect one day. So first of all, we will discuss about the impact of information technology. So what is the impact of information technology in banking sector and even for the people, that what is the impact we have in general. Okay, so before that, some of the student is asking about that how the paper will be going on, how the exam will be, and what we can expect in the exam, that the exam will be tough or it will be easy or it will be moderate. So first of all, the exam will be your moderate to difficult level. It will be in difficult level only, we can say. Next thing, that here two classes are going on. One class is in the paid batch, that is right now you are watching, and another class is going on in the YouTube. So for YouTube candidates, this is the first free paid demo class, and from tomorrow onwards it will be paid. I mean, next class will be paid only, so you can buy this particular batch after seeing the code, that is PRAP 80, which is mentioned over here. Okay, now going further, next one of the candidate is asking me the question regarding that the exam will be, the questions will be repeated, it will become in the repeated mode, or it will be, new questions will become. So there will be a chance of repetition of the questions in the second batch or in the third batch. First batch candidate, the questions which you are getting in the first batch will be repeated in second or third. Some questions will be repeated, some may not be, or some questions will be repeated. Okay, so it will be a chance of some repetition of the questions in second and third exam on that particular day. Okay, now coming to the topic, that is impact of information technology. So what we are seeing the impact, general impact in the IT present here and in the present day and in the future. So what are they? See, first of all, if we talk about the computer, so for nowadays whatever the decision we are taking, that will be decided with the help of computer. I mean, whatever we want, whatever the information we require, whatever the thing we want, we are just, what we are doing, we are just using the computer. Okay, so computer is used here. What are the question we have, whatever the information we want to take from the computer, whatever the information we want, whatever the information we require, we are just, what we are doing, we are using the computer for that. Okay, so here we can say that computer is much more faster and much more giving accurate result than a human being. Human being can be a, can be a failure, can he or she cannot give the correct result, but a computer can give us the correct results. Okay, and we can right now we can see our homes also. In the home, we are seeing the AI technology, that is artificial intelligence. So as you are seeing your mobile phone, from mobile phone to the washing machine, from your smart TV to your microwave oven, all these things are having this AI technologies, this computer technology. All this electronic gadgets are having the computer chips, or the chips in their particular machines, which is programmed in Java language or Python language. Okay, so everywhere, whenever, whatever you are using through digital mode, whatever the things you are using through digital mode, through digital, electronic mode, whatever the electronic devices you are using, all that electronic devices are having this AI, artificial electronics technology, AI, artificial intelligence technology, plus your that is, second thing is your particularly your computer technology, your computer chips. Okay, so next we will come to the, it will make houses more comfortable, more economical, and more secure. The smart house of the future will pamper by doing such chores as scanning visitors with hidden video cameras. So if we talk about future, not even the future, if we talk about present also, in our homes we are using robots. We can see the robots over, and we can see the robots in our home. Like for example, there are two types of robots we can see. First will be a we will just switch on the robot, and robot will do their its work, whatever the work it is assigned. Like he's just washing the clothes, he's just taking the garbage, all this. Okay, now second robot will be your chitti robot. You have seen the movie of 2.0, robot 2.0. In that particular robot, whatever we are saying, he is just listening it, and he is doing processing. Okay, and then after that he is just giving us the answer, like just like a human being. Okay, so we are seeing these things here. And another, if we talk about homes, like we have some we can say we have a smart homes in coming future. Like if someone is coming there, suppose some guest is coming, we can see that particular guest in the screen. There will be a it is a first class, Shashi Ranjan. It is first class of English medium. Before at 8 o'clock we have a bilingual class at 8 o'clock that time. Now this is your English medium class. Okay, so this will be there. And as you are seeing here in the smartphone, in the smart houses, what there will be a scanning visitors, there will be hidden video cameras, there will be a automatically sprinkling gardens. All things will be online, AI based only. Everything will be available here in AI based. I mean, everything we can use, like where the person is coming to the house, it will be scanned, it will be checked by the camera, it will be scanned by the camera. Okay, so everything will be seen. This is the first module, module A, Jyothi, sorry. This is module A. Okay, module A, first module and first chapter. Okay, next will be the self-driven car. So self-driven car is coming nowadays. We don't require any driver in that. That will be self-driven. I mean, it will be with the help of AI, artificial intelligence, with the help of remotes. We can access this particular car. We can access that particular car with the help of I mean GPS systems. We can move that particular car from one place to another place. Okay. Then after that, what we have infrared cameras and microprocessor based sensors and devices as already there alert the driver if he is dozing off. It is written for this self-driven cars. Okay, now one thing more I have to tell you here, that is regarding our weapons also. Nowadays the our army persons or air force persons, whatever the weapons they are using, they all are AI based. They all are having real-time operating systems which can be used on a real-time based. I mean there will be a accurate I mean we can hit accurately to the enemies here with the help of weapons. So nowadays our army and our defense are also they are artificial intelligence based, and they are using more and more artificial intelligence things, like in the form of missiles, in the form of guns and all that. Okay, now going further, that is it will flatter cities by cutting skyscrapers down to size. Skyscrapers become business. People need to be physically close to each other for easy communication. So here we don't require any physical communication here, so we can just do online chattings. We can just call the particular person, we can do the online chatting here. Just what we have seen in COVID situations. So as right now, as you are taking the class online, so this is also an important feature here, like we can access the class anywhere you can access the class anywhere in the world, wherever you are at present. And even work from home culture has also started. I mean, we can do the work from our home. After sitting in our home, we can do our work. And we have seen these things in COVID-19, that what this drastically changes has been made in coming from offline to online mode. Okay, now next is your IoT. So this is very important for your exam. They can ask you about the IoTs, that what is IoT, that is Internet of Things. So basically this particular IoT is, we are using this IoT from morning to evening. Like for example, there is a app named as Fitbit. This particular app is used in the mobile phone, which is used to show you the heartbeat rate, show you how much you have traveled, how much you have traveled with your how much you have walked, how much you have jogged, and even your heartbeat rate, even your BP rate, everything it will show you. So we can see, we are seeing that in the morning till evening we are using this IoT things in our smartphones, in our computers, in our laptops. All these things are there, and I think in some days it will be necessary for each and every person. Right now, as we are seeing that lot of cases are coming of this particularly heart attacks and all that things. So we can in the coming days, after some 1 to 2 years, we will see that these things will be I mean, this particular apps will be very I mean popular, and it will be used in each and every smartphones. Right now also we are using, but I don't think so that right now all are using. But after some time, after some years, we will see that this particular app will be used everywhere, every computer or every mobile phone we can see this. Okay, so this is your IoT of things, and particularly from morning to evening we can just using this IoT. Going further, we have impact on business and economy. So first of all, global productivity will climb rapidly, and cyber technology permit the increasing automation of production. Robotics, mining and farming machines will produce the raw material for automated factories churning out goods. So this is all about the cyber technologies. We can say robotics will come, it will impact the economy also. So we will see that instead of laborers, robots will mine, robots will farming, and it will be used to farm a particular land, it will be used to mine a particular, mining will be used with the help of robots. And also robots are used to produce the raw materials, machines will be used to farming machines will be used to produce the raw materials here. Okay, so we will see this impact in economy sooner or later. Nowadays also we are seeing, but after some days we are seeing it will be grown rapidly. Okay, now after that we will see a human farming, mining will be there, and after watching video screens in clean, safe, air conditioned offices, it will also improve productivity of business administration, financial analysis and marketing. This I am giving you the example of robot in the before slide, before this particular slide, that nowadays we are using the robots that are cleaning the house. So that thing is written over here, like we are using the robot machines to clean our house, to clean air conditions, and there will be office like we don't require any labor in that particular office. We have only the robots over there, and it will clean the office, it will clean the air conditions, it will clean everything, and we are just doing our administrative things, we are just doing our business administrative or financial analysis, financial activity things. That's all. We are not cleaning the room, we are not cleaning the air condition, we are not cleaning anything. Okay, so that is written over there for this particular thing. Okay, now next is the average person will become increasingly rich. Increasing in productivity should boost living standards in the future as in the past. However, there are potential obstacles to an ever rising living standard people. So we can say here that nowadays, as we are becoming more and more machine friendly, so nowadays we can say that here the age of the person will be, I mean, we can say that here the minimum age will be, as we are seeing in like our in old people, they can live till up to 75 to 80 years. But nowadays, as we are fully depending upon the machines, so as I am seeing that after some years the minimum age will be decreased. I mean, it will be, maximum age will be decreased, it will be up to 60 to 70 years only. Okay, because we are all only depending upon the machines. So here there is a line written over here, that is they might work only 10 hours a week and retire at the age of 50 or younger. So after we are seeing that nowadays ChatGPT has came, so whatever we want to do, suppose we don't need a programmer over there, we don't need any particularly IT specialist, because whatever that person is doing will be done by this ChatGPT or will be done by the robots. And in suppose we want to write a program, suppose we want to write any programming language code, for that we require a programmer, but here all these things will be done by by a software, that is ChatGPT. We are seeing that you have also seen the ChatGPT and you have also worked on that. So whatever the work we want to make assignments, we want to make projects, we want to make whatever we want to make, it will be done by this particular software only. So why to need any human being if the machine is doing all the work? Okay, so this will become, it is coming day by day, and after some years it will come, and one day will come that when machine will attack human beings. Nowadays we have created the machine, and after that machine will will be attack human beings. Okay, now going further, it will create both rich and poor. So I am just skipping this C point because it is not that much important for you, but just I am saying in this particular point that we have seen Facebooks, we have seen Telegram, we have seen Instagram, we have seen WhatsApp, all these things. I mean, it will create, I mean, before past we have not seen. I mean, whenever we want to talk to our friend or our relative, what we will do, we will just call, we will just do a normal call, or we will just write a letter. I mean, that time only telephone is there. There is no mobile phones or WhatsApp or anything. So we are just only doing a telephone call, or we are just writing a letter. But now what we have WhatsApp, we have Instagram, we have other things. We have even we can do video calls also to our friends, to our relatives. So all these things have drastically changed our life. Okay, so all these things are written over for this particular C point. Now next is technology allows business to reach new economic market. Buyers and seller will find it easier to make contact with each other in tomorrow's cyber mall. The result should be to reduce marketing cost and increase consumer satisfaction. So one thing we can say here, one thing which I like here after coming after seeing internet, that here we can, I mean, business will be business is growing day by day. I mean, it is coming day by day. Okay, and here we can reach more and more customers, like banks also. If we will talk about the bank, the bank is reaching day by, it is reaching maximum persons day by day. A bank will reach that place also where there is no communication I mean, if there is no branch over there in that particular area, there also bank will be reached. So this is, we can say that here business persons will become, they will be allowed, and here more reaches will be there, more economic market will be reached over there for the business purpose. And also we can see that cyber mall will be come here, where each and every business person will meet a business person, and business person will meet a consumer also. Okay, now going further, for this, digital assistants or intelligent agents are now sorting through thousands of online catalogs, identifying the goods that a particular consumer might be interested in. a consumer should also be able to use a computer to obtain competitive bids from supplier quickly and easily. So here computers are used to do supply for the suppliers, and it is used we can supply the goods one place to the another place very quickly. We can buy product from any country very quickly. We can do business purpose also. For business purpose, we can contact to other country for that particular business. They can contact us, we can contact them, and it is very simple. It is very easy to contact, and it is very easy to send the products and to buy the products from that particular country. Okay, now going further, e-commerce allow customer to overcome geographical barriers and allow them to purchase products anytime and anywhere. So e-commerce has came here. E-commerce has changed everyone. I mean, right now we are not going to market to buy anything. We are just going to the mobile application or just opening the website in the computer or in the laptop, and we are just opening the website, and we are whatever we want to buy. Suppose we want to buy a mobile phone, we want to buy anything, whatever we want to buy, we will just go to the particular website, particular app, and we have different categories over there. We have different models we have there. We can choose from ourselves that whatever the model we will like, and after that we can buy that particular model, or we can buy that particular thing, whatever we want to take. So this will be changed very much, and here sellers, it is very more beneficial for the sellers also, because if there is a shop, as we are seeing as the shopkeeper, whenever I will talk to any shopkeeper that is this e-commerce has changed your business, he is saying that no, it is not changed, because nowadays people are buying the product online, they are not coming to the shop. But that particular seller, that particular shopkeeper will become a member of that particular website to sold the items, whatever he or she is having. So this has dramatically changed. E-commerce has dramatically changed. We can buy the product at any time and even in the cheaper cost. If we compare this particular cost with the offline product and with the online product, there will be some margin, there will be some, the online product will be some cheaper cost instead of higher cost in offline. Okay, now going further, that is about the cyber technology we have. So here cyber technology will be the main key role here. Cyber technology may reduce hierarchy in organization. However, middle managers are needed for supervision and reporting. Email offers new channels of communication between workers who previously did not communicate much with each other. So here one thing cyber technology means, here email has been introduced, and even as I am giving you the example, like suppose I want to talk to the CEO, suppose I want to talk to the senior most person of the company. Before that, I have to wait for that. I have to just talk to the secretary, or I have to just talk to the junior person to just arrange a meeting with the CEO or with the particular company's owner. But nowadays, with the help of email, we can just email to the particular concerned person instantly, and that particular concerned person will be interacted with us, and here entry level management will directly communicate to the CEOs. Even the middle management also, they will directly communicate with the CEOs. So this has changed dramatically. So this has came here in cyber technology. Okay, now business technology has helped businesses improving their communication processes. Email, texting, website and personal digital product applications, apps has help the companies improving communication with consumers. Most of the banks has introduced their own app. Most of the banks are having their own app. Even Google, Google has made an app, online app, that is Google Play Store is Google has given you the app of this particular Google Pay, and Bheem. Government has also launched apps like Bheem, and all other private companies has also launched app like Paytm. We have MobiKwik and all these apps. Okay, so this has changed dramatically. Okay, this has changed our daily life dramatically, drastically. Okay, now going further, that will be impact on money. So what will be the impact of money? People will carry most of their financial business on computer from their homes. They will pay bills, buy stocks and keep track of their budget. So as we have seen in before slides also, that this has changed, I mean financial for the money purpose for the home users like us, they have changed it so much. We can just pay the bills online, we can just pay our electricity bill, our telephone bill online, we can buy stocks and keep track of the budgets, whatever we can pay the bill of credit card and all other whatever the bills we have, telephone bills, electricity bill, whatever the bills we have, we can pay this particular bills online only. So this has changed drastically in our daily life, and it is even we can, I mean here they are written that payment for electricity, telephone, mortgages and even department stores will be made automatically unless the standing instructions are countermanded. So whatever I told you, that is written over here. Okay, so we can just I mean pay all these things automatically. We can just we can pay this thing, pay these bills automatically with our mobile phones, even with going to the particular website also. Okay, now going further, that is physical currency will become less popular. So nowadays whenever I'm going to any shop and whenever I'm asking that do you have a online that particular, do you have a UPI with you, do you have a scanner? So if I go into a particular chai tapri shop also, I want to take the tea, or I want to buy anything, I want to buy some vegetables, there also I am seeing that all they have this UPI, I mean all they have the UPI code, all they have their scanner with them. So this has changed so much, and nowadays mobile apps has I mean we are using mobile apps over here, and physical currency will become less popular. Now whenever I am traveling from one city to the another city, suppose the city distance is very I mean far, so what I will use less cash. Instead of having more cash, I will use less cash, because I am having the mobile phone. I can buy anything with the help of this particular mobile app, with the help of this mobile app merchants app. I can buy anything, because all the shops, all the business things, whatever I want to buy, whatever the things I want to buy, they all have the UPI code, they all have this scanner type facility. I can buy anything from there. Okay, here one thing more, that the smart card may contain photograph and perhaps fingerprint of the holder to keep thieves from abuse the card. So one thing has came here that is regarding the smart card. It contains the photograph and also fingerprints will be there for holding and keeping thieves from abuse the card. I mean if some thieves have caught your card, then at that time also it will not able to use that particular card that is written over. Okay, now computer programs will likely become the great financial wizard of the future, amassing billions of dollars of their owners and users. If a computer can beat a world chess champions in a speed chess tournament, it's probably only a matter of time before computer are making decisions in fast movie. So it is only written over that it is only the mention point here is particularly that computer are giving us a accurate answers, computer are doing everything very fast, and it is giving us the result accurately. So that is related to the chess also. I mean if we are playing the chess with a computer, we can make any mistake, but computer will not make any mistake. We can just skip any move, but computer will not make skip any move. Okay, now next is electronic banking is become increasingly global, which means that people should find it easy to keep their money in different countries and currencies. So e-banking will be more efficient here. We can just transfer the money from a particular place to another particular place, from any particular country to the another country. It is very easy to send the money from one country to another country. Okay, and even the currencies will be, and even individual organization, even government, backend cyber hacking and money heist across the global has become one of the greatest concern of global community. So if we talk about some drawbacks, yes, the main concern here is about the cyber security. That what is the cyber security, what are the I mean measures of cyber security. So more we are in IT technology, more we are in digital technology, more we are in a cyber trouble. Okay, suppose as we are seeing day by day that cyber attacks has been increased, some particular bank account has been hacked, some money has been stolen from a particular account. So all these things has been increased day by day. So more we will be a technological person, more these attacks will be increased. So there should be some, I mean there should be some information should be spreaded to each and every persons, because hacking is not done in, I mean if someone is saying that my mobile has been hacked, or if someone is saying that this much of amount has been taken from my account, it is not possible that he has not clicked on any link or he has not clicked on any website. It is not possible. It is not possible that hawa mein ho gaya, matlab it is not possible that hacking is in hawa mein ho gaya, means there should be something, there should be some link, there should be something will be there. When he or she has clicked on that particular link or particular image or particular thing, then only the mobile will be hacked, then only that particular account will be hacked, and any other thing is not possible. Okay, now next is regarding the Government of India Demonetization initiative since 8th November 2016. So this is very important for you. Government of India has taken some steps. It is demonetization. Okay, Government of India's demonetization initiative since 8th November 2016. It is very important for you, demonetization related news. And a consequent push in digital payment has been a boon for Indian e-payment provider. So as we have seen further as we have seen before, that at the time of COVID and before COVID, on 8th November 2016, demonetization has been occur. 1,500 notes has been demonetized. So after that, so what has this 1,000 notes, 1,000 rupees notes and 500 rupees notes has been demonetized. Okay, so what has happened there? It means in that particular case we are using physical cash. Instead of physical cash, we are using online payment. So after this 8th November 2016 and after that this COVID pandemic, more people we are came into the digital world. We are instead of using physical cash, instead of giving physical cash, we are using online transactions. Okay, so this has been changed us very much. And nowadays, even as we all know that many of youngsters has invested their money in bitcoins and even in cryptocurrencies. India it is banned. We all know that about that this particular currencies has been banned in India. But we can say in coming near future, RBI is also, I mean we have seen the like ECommerce has been launched in India. Okay, and in after some years we will see that this digital currency will come in India also. I mean this particular like Bitcoin and all this particular as I am thinking about it, that it came in India also in some day. Okay, now after this dramatical changes, this demonetization and COVID-19, some particular companies like Paytm, PhonePe and even Google Pay, they have I mean made their UPI. They have made their own apps where we can just send the money from one place to another, one person to another person. We can just buy anything. We can just, I mean whatever we want to buy, whatever we want to send money to our friend, whatever we want to do any transaction, we will use these apps. So this has been changed our life so much. Okay, Now up until this campaign, India was an incredible cash center economy, but here one thing which you have to be, which is very important for your exam, that is cash accounted for upward of 95% of all transactions. 90% of vendors didn't have card readers or the means of accepting electronic payments. 85% of workers were paid in cash, and almost 1/3 of the population didn't even have bank account. So this I am giving you the example here to understand that what they want to say. Before this demonetization and COVID-19, whenever I am going to any shop, and I will say, just because suppose I don't have a physical cash with me, if I say that I want to do a UPI, I want to scan the QR code, what they will say, they say that we are not using it. But nowadays 95% shops are using this UPI. 95% shops are using this code, this particular scanner. Okay, why? Because nowadays nowadays we are not using the physical cash. We are not using the physical cash for this particular purpose. We are using here, we are using the digital cash over here. We are just doing our payment digitally. Okay. Before that, before this particular COVID and all these things, we are using this physical cash. So this is written over that 95% of the transaction will, and 90% of the vendor don't have card readers, and 85% of they are using paid in cash. Their salary will be paid in cash, and most of 1/3 of the population don't have the bank accounts. Okay. Now coupled with demonetization, COVID-19 pandemic has contributed in increasing digital transactions multiple folds. Today in India has emerged as global leaders in real-time digital payments, handling about 122 million transactions per day in the financial year 2021. So this will be very important for you, that 122 million transactions per day will be done in the year 2020 and 2020 and 21. Okay. Now next will be the cash transaction still lie around 88% as of date, which indicates a great potential for evolution of digital payment system. Okay. Now discuss on impact of IT on money will be incomplete without discussing evolution of cryptocurrency and its importance in the economy and regulatory aspects of country across the global, and actions envisaged by various government central banks to regulate it. So I have already discussed these things previous about this cryptocurrency. So right now cryptocurrency is banned in India. This Bitcoin and all these things are banned in India. We are not using these things right now. Okay, but in future I can expect that this will be regulated. Okay. Now impact on government. So what will be the impact of government here? First of all, government finance is not essential to the development of IT. It will spread rapidly because people want it and will pay for it. So government will have only limited control over cyberspace in the world of internet. Deep and dark web contributes about 96%, whereas Google can search only rest 4% in internet. See here the main thing which you have to be understood about the dark web and the deep web. So what is deep web and what is dark web? Deep web, whatever the legal things we are doing in the internet, like searching the website or surfing the website or doing any activity, legal activity, that will be a deep web. But what are the things we are doing illegally? Like dark web is a particular website, it is a particular network which is illegal, where all the illegal activities has been done, like smuggling, okay, and also like carding and all that. Dipanjan, I will share you the Telegram link at the end of the class. Right now class is going on in YouTube also, so after the finish of the class, I will just share you the link of Telegram. There you can find the PPTs. Okay, all the whatever I will teach you in this 1 week from today onwards will be provided in that particular Telegram channel. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, so I think you all understood about the deep web and the dark web. Deep web means whatever you are searching right now in the computer, whatever you are opening the website right now which is legal, that is a deep web. And what are the website you are opening, like what are the illegal activities has been done in the internet, like carding and all these things will be your dark web. Okay, now going further, the sheer proliferation of IT means that people can find ways around government's efforts to limit or control communications. Government can track down and penalize individuals who use IT for illegal purpose, but tight censorship may be impossible. This will be a major frustration for would be censor and totalitarians. What is this word? Okay, no problem. So major thing is here is that whatever we have, I mean whatever the things we are doing in the internet, if suppose there is some, I mean we can say if there is someone is doing any illegal activity and government has caught that particular person or caught that particular company, in that we don't have that much of law that we can just give a severe punishment to that particular person. We don't have that much of law in IT. Every 3 to 4 years this laws is changing. I mean first we have the IT Act 2000 we have, then after that we have done some amendment in 2014 15, then we have done some amendment in 2018, then we have done some amendment in 2020. So we are doing these amendments as per seen the new latest attacks which will be occur day by day in our internet. As we are seeing this particular attacks, and the government is taking some important major steps to stop give the penalty and even to give them strong punishment. But it is not enough. I mean if suppose somebody is hacking any server or somebody is hacking any computer, we don't have that much of things, we don't have that much of I mean technologies that we can find out that particular person. Okay, because if that particular person is a professional hacker, he will not give his identity, he will not give his original IP address, he will not give his original identity. And if he is not giving his original identity, then it is not possible to caught him, it is not possible to to give him a punishment. Okay, so these are some major steps which government should take. Okay, now next is information about laws, regulations, government policies, political candidates and party positions will become routine available on computer networks. This will mean that citizens can quickly and easily access an evidence of the official information. So here everything, whatever, suppose I want to see that particularly some XYZ party is having how much fund, how much money they have, how much funds they have, whatever. Suppose I am giving any chanda to particular I am giving any fund or particular chanda to any particular party. So that particular party is having its own website where they can publish each and every amount which is given by the person, which is given by the NGOs, that this particular amount they have this particular amount and they have used this particular amount in this particular field, this particular I mean work, whatever the work they have. Okay, so these things will be there here. And next, electronic system will allow for far more citizens input into the operations of government. Citizens can be quickly polled on an upcoming issue. I am just giving you the example here. Suppose you went to any government department and you have some complaint regarding any particular department. You have given a written complaint, but there is no action from that particular department. So what you can do, you can just go to the Google, you can just type down write to the Prime Minister or grievance to the Prime Minister. You can just write this to Google. A website will be opened, grievance to Prime Minister. You can just go to that particular website and just choose your state, just give your mobile number, give your email ID. One form will be opened. Just type whatever the query you have, whatever the complaint you have, and just write it down that you have complained this in that particular office also, but there is no action taken. Just submit that particular complaint. That complaint will be sent it to the IAS officer of central government. Then that particular IAS officer will send that complaint to the particular state from your belonging and that particular state where you have raised this complaint. And then in that particular state, in that particular district, in that particular place where you are living, that complaint will be sent it to that particular highest senior officer. They will send the complaint to that particular highest senior officer. Okay. So I have done this thing lot of times, and if you are facing any problem like this, then you can just raise this complaint through online mode, and they will just see your complaint, and most of the cases they will solve also. Means 99%, 99 to 100% they will solve you. 0.1 to 2% will be there, that if the complaint is irrelevant or if it is not possible, then they can just message you, and even they can call you that you have raised this particular complaint, what is your concern. Okay. So this has changed dramatically nowadays. You can just do online complaints. You can just do whatever you want to do. Whatever, suppose you want to make a license, you can just do it online mode only. You can just you can just apply online. If you want a passport, you can apply online. So all these things has came online mode. Okay. Now going further, that will be IT may make it impossible for politicians to keep a society closed. Even Chinese, this we can just skip this word. Now social media, if you talk about the social media here, now in social media 53 crores, sorry, $53 crores WhatsApp users, 43 crores YouTube users, 41 crore Facebook users, 21 crore Instagram users, and 2 crore Twitter users we have. So if we talk about the social media here, this much, we have 53 crores WhatsApp users, we have 45 crores YouTube users, we have 41 crores Facebook users, 21 crore Instagram users, 2 crore Twitter users. All these things has came. Just 20 years back, we don't know about the WhatsApp, we don't know about Instagram, we don't know about Facebook. We are just, if we want to talk to our family, we are just calling with the telephone, or we are just doing an inline letter, we are just writing a letter. But now what we are seeing that WhatsApp users has become 45 crores. We are using 45 crore people is using WhatsApp, 41 crore are using Facebook, 21 crores are using Instagram. So this internet has changed dramatically. It has impacted in our life dramatically, and nowadays we will not live without internet. We will not live without mobile phone. Okay, since morning to evening we require a mobile phone. It can be any thing. We can just chatting over in mobile phone, or we are just watching the movie, or we are just opening Facebook, Instagram, whatever. Okay. Now going further, that is related to the ICT and e-governance. The application of ICT, information and communication technology, to government processes, e-government can have a profound impact on the efficiency, responsiveness and accountability of the government, thereby on the quality of life and productivity of citizens, especially the poor, and ultimate on the economic output. So nowadays everything has become online for government purpose also. Just I have given you the example before of that particular website of PM Grievance Cell. Even nowadays all other things has also become online, like suppose you want to give anything to the poor people, like Pradhan Mantri Gram Swarojgar Yojana, any form you want to submit, any service you want to use, you are using that particular service online mode. You want to make a house, you want money for that particular house, what you will do, you will just fill up the form and all the things will be done online mode only, and if your request will be approved, then the amount will be credited to your account. So all these things has been done online mode only. So this is impacted the e-governments and ICT mode. Okay. Next is cyber technology will play a growing role in fighting crimes and violence. Individual will carry electronic devices that will sign their locations or computerized maps in security offices, such as those on campuses. An attack victim can instantly someone help. Goods ranging from automobiles to clothing can be tagged electronically so that they can be tracked and identified if stolen. So goods will be, this is related to the merchants. Whenever some goods will be sending from one place to the another place, some clothes will be sending from one place to the another place, there will be some tracking system over there that nobody can take it out, nobody can tear it out, nobody can take the clothes out. And even you are seeing to your products also. Suppose you want to buy any product, like suppose you are using e-commerce facility, so you want to buy any product. So when you buy that particular product, there will be a scanner, there will be a scanning code available there. So when you will get the product, before that particular person will scan that particular product, and one OTP will come to your mobile phone. You will provide the OTP, then only that product will be delivered to you, and you can open that particular product. If that is stolen, then you can do online complaint for that. So all these things has came online mode. Okay. Now next is more and more places, both public and private, will be under constrained surveillance by video cameras. Britain is leading the way in using closed circuit TVs to monitor entire town. So CCTV cameras has been came. We can just monitor each and everything. In Delhi, some of the cities, major cities in India, or some cities, even nowadays villages and even small towns are having CCTV camera in their particular places, in their particular cities. They can just watch each and everything. They can just closely watch each and everything. If there is anything happening in that particular town, then particular police or particular department will be called for to take the action of that particular thing what is happening over there. Okay. Now going further, that is related to the impact on media and entertainment. So here everything has came from normal movie of Raja Harishchandra to Alamara to just now we have seen this movie just now, which has came just one day before. What we have seen the VFX technologies. Nowadays whatever the movies has been made, they are in VFX technologies. They have 3D, even we have seen 11D, 7D, 11Ds technologies, where we can just imagine out that we are in a mountain, we are in a sea, whatever the images will be seen. We will just put up the thing over there. There will be a VFX technology. There will be all other things has came, and this has changed the video dramatically. Media has been changed dramatically. Even we can say in computers we are using graphic cards, 3D graphic accelerators, faster CPUs, dedicated core processors like PHYS X, and even video games has came, just like PUBG and all that. So video games has, they are in much more we can say they are they are in much more graphics. They are using much more VFX technologies, and even compound annual, if we talk about the CAG rate, that is compound annual growth rate of this particular things whatever we are using, it is expected to be USD 174 billion. I mean, it is increasing per year. And if we talk about the video games market, that is USD 174 billion, and if we talk about the compound annual growth rate, that is CAGR of 9% to 2026. So it is increasing 9% every year. Okay, so we can expect that in 2026 CAG growth rate will be 9. I mean, it is increasing by percentage per year, and we can see that in 2026 the growth rate, the compound annual growth rate will be 9%. Okay. So all the things whatever I've told you written over here in this particular slide. Now next is strategic issues and IT. So first is increased competition. See, here we can say that I am just giving you the example of bank, or just I am giving you the example of any technology. So what we have, we just want to sell everything, we just want to sell a thing to the customer. After that the customer is facing any problem or anything, we don't, I mean, we will not take any further action for that, and that particular person will, he or she will be in panic mode, because he told that, he or she will tell told that you have just given me this particular product, you have just told me good things about this particular product, every good thing, that we will do a customer support, we will do this thing, we will do these things, but after when I purchase this particular product, now I am not getting anything, now I am not getting any customer support, I am not getting anything, I am not getting anything. So here there is an increase of competition, because if some company has launched anything, another company will launched after seeing that particular company, that this particular company has launched these things, now I will also launch with the updation. But he will not, they will not think that what will be the what will the future of this particular product, I mean, it will be it will be buy or not, but they have only, they are in a perfect competition that this particular company has launched and I will also want launch this. Okay, and in this particular thing they will just forget each and everything, like their quality, the particular product quality, particular customer support, they will forget everything, they just want to sell that particular thing. So this is your increasing of the competition. Okay, next is focusing is being placed on converting from a service to a sales culture. So as I already told you about this, that nowadays whatever I want to sell, I mean, it came into the selling concept, I just want to sell it, I just want to do a marketing on it, I just want to sell it. After that what will happen, I don't know, this will work, this will won't work, what will be the, I just want to sell. Just now I am getting 5 to 6 calls daily from a credit card department, from any bank, XYZ bank, I am getting the calls. So they are just saying that kindly buy this particular credit card, we are giving 1 lakh credibility, 2 lakh credibility, 1,50,000 credibility, but they are not giving me that if I am not buying anything from that particular credit card, then there will be some charges every month. They are not, they are hiding these things. I am just giving you the example only, don't take this with you, I am just giving you the example that this things is happening, not even in banks, also everywhere it is happening, everywhere. They are just selling the things, they are not seeing that what are the things, whatever the, I mean, major things after selling this particular product, what we have, I mean, customer support is fine or not, everything will be fine or not for this. They are not seeing that, they are just selling the. Okay. Now next is focus is being placed on converting from a service to service sales culture. Now here RDBMS is used, information is support to selling and cross selling activities, information management system, including RDBMS based culture, customer information system, CIS will be used here. Okay. Now industry and operation consolidation is still another response to the competitive environment. Large institutions are merged with one another in the world market of banking and insurance. In nearly all cases, economy of scale through consideration of technical operations is cities as a business justifier. We can skip this particular thing. So this is important, is your RDBMS and the CIS. Okay. Now going further, that is changing consumer behavior and improved financial performance. Changing consumer behavior means there is evidence of recent research confirms that the changing in the consumer behavior which have an impact on the delivery of financial services. The consistent theme is growing demand for service, convenience and availability around the clock from home office or shopping locations via telephone, kiosk, PCs and mobile phones. So changing of consumer behavior means everything is available online mode only. I mean, we can in that particular city, in that particular thing, all the things all the things available round the clock, like for the offices, for the shopping locations, for the telephones, for kiosks, for PCs, mobile phones, everything is available here for this particular thing. Okay, so changing consumer behavior will be there. Now next is improved financial performance. One of the outcome of the information age is that investors are much better informed about investment opportunities, risk and alternatives. They expect better performance, and financial services institutions are under pressure from shareholders to improve financial result, revenue enhancement, cost containment and improve efficient productivity are area of focus. Now going further, that is related to the client server architecture. I mean, we are the client and our request will be sent to the server, that is client server architecture we can say. So improving financial performance will be there. I mean, investors will be better informed here, investment opportunities will be there, risk and alternative options will be there. Okay. Now next will be the internet banking or online banking we can say. So here internet banking has changed dramatically in our daily life. We can do internet banking through our computer, through our mobile phone, even through our laptop also. So what are the benefit of this electronic device, electronic banking? Lower operating charges. Internet, nowadays what we require only the internet here. Okay, we don't require, I mean, first of all we require the website, particular bank's website, and we require the internet. If we have the internet, then we can use this particular services. Okay, so lower operating cost will be there. Internet will be I mean internet will be in very less cost. I mean when the internet has came, at that time its cost is very high, but now its cost has been reduced. So lower operating cost, new services, customer, I mean day by day this particular banks are giving new services like billing of the paper bill, billing of electricity bill, billing of I mean whatever the bills we have, credit card bills, whatever the bills we have, we are paying. So new services will be introduced day by day by the bank. Okay, next is on one-to-one marketing. So here one-to-one marketing will be done, like suppose you want to, if you search anything in the particular I mean you have all the database with you. So suppose you want to search my name, you will just put up my name there and you will get all the information, like I am having my own house or not, what is my address, what is my telephone number, what is my whatever the general information you want to take. So this will be done with the help of this one-to-one marketing. Okay. Now next is particularly benefits for banking: increasing profitability, cost effective mechanism, reach where there is no branch, improve customer relationship. So if we talk about the benefits of bank, increasing profitability. So after launching this mobile and internet banking, there is a more profitability, increasing profitability of the bank. I mean internet banking, I mean it can be used anywhere, the internet facility can be used anywhere. Suppose if nowadays everyone is having mobile phones, So if I am not having any laptop or any computer, but if I am having a mobile phone, I can use this particular services here. Okay. Now cost effective mechanism, I mean here we don't require any physical going to a particular place physically. We will do this online through online mode only. I mean we don't want to send any person to that particular place to tell them we have just launched the app, or we have just launched the particular website for that particular thing, and that particular person is only using that particular app to take this particular services. Okay. Now next is reach where there is no branch. So as I told you before of that, we can reach that particular cities also, we can reach that particular places also where there is no branch. I mean we will give these services to that particular places, this mobile banking facilities, this online banking facilities where there is no branch, and if there is no banking branch. Okay. Improving customer relationship. So here you can just here the bank will take the feedback of the particular customer, whether they like the service or not. Even they will send the feedback form to fill up to fill that particular form, that they I mean this particular service they liked or not. So this has improved the customer relationship. Even they can call to the particular person to talk everything, to get everything, like whether the service has been liked or not. Okay. So these things will be done in the benefit for the bank. Okay. So I am closing the session here, because already 11:10 has been done, and most of the bankers has left the class because of the time. So I am just finishing the lecture here. Okay. And we will meet up tomorrow, and we will continue this chapter. Almost this chapter has been finished, only 1 or 2 slides has been left. So we will just complete this chapter tomorrow, and we will start the new chapter. And tomorrow we will see we will complete module 1, and we will start module 2. Okay, module B, sorry. So meet you tomorrow at the same time. Okay, take care and good night. Now the person who has not taken any any student who has not taken any admission, so they can take the admission. We have just launched the batch. For taking the admission, you can just go to our website, that is Adda 247. After reaching the website, go to this particular section, all courses. In all courses, go to CAIIB 2023. In CAIIB 2023, you will find IT elective part. You can go for English medium here, IT elective English medium. Click on this particular batch, and go to this buy now option, more offer option. Type here PREP 80, PREP 80. Apply this code. Just wait. PREP 80. Apply this code, and you will get 80% discount. This course will be 1199. Okay. If you have POWERPACK, then this particular class will be free of cost for you. Okay. Meet you tomorrow, same time. Take care and good day.